April, the national average price for a gallon of gas peaked at $3.94. Few analysts think prices will return to that level, though the U.S. average hit $3.67 on Friday, an increase of 34 cents since July 1st, translating to about $33 more per month for the typical U.S. household. Consumer demand for gas has slipped 3.5% since the start of July. The massive refinery fire near Oakland is but one factor. Fears over a potential blockade of the Strait of Hormuz by Iran, slipping output from the North Sea and South Sudan, and anxiety over the violence in Syria have also had an effect.
At the close on Friday, NYMEX crude settled in at about $93 a barrel, up about 5.5% so far this month, but still down a little over 6% year to date. Prices advanced about 1.6% last week. As of Friday, gold was 0.75% improved for the month on the COMEX at $16.2280 an ounce.
The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau proposed new rules to help borrowers last week. Rules intended to crack down on robo-signing, forced-place insurance, and inadequate consumer disclosures among mortgage servicers. These regulations could be put into place and modified after a comment period.
Yet another positive week on stocks. Friday, the S&P notched up a 6-day winning streak. On the week, it gained a little over 1% to 1405.87. The Dow about 0.85% to 13,207, and the Nasdaq up about 1.78% to 3020.86. Each logged their 5th straight weekly gain. Some of this was fueled by hopes that the European Central Bank would make moves to reduce borrowing costs for Italy and Spain. The Russell 2000 rose a little over 1.5% last week to settle in at 801 Friday, while the CBO VIX lost 5.3% in 5 days to close the week just around 1481.
Well, today gets rolling with a number of new reports as earnings season continues.
And tomorrow, July retail sales figures come in. The July Producer Index also appears.
Wednesday, the July CPI comes out along with data on July industrial output.
And Thursday, the new weekly jobless claims figures and data on July housing starts and the building permits.
And then wrapping up the week on Friday, the Conference Board releases its July Index of Leading Indicators, and the University of Michigan's initial August Consumer Sentiment Survey appears. That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagen.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So please feel free to subscribe, and we'll talk with you then.